In this video I'm going to show you how to open phone and dial number in GTA 5. So first you need to be in GTA single player, and you want to click the up arrow on your keyboard, and over here I'm just gonna skip this message. Let me just go back here. So you start with the up arrow, and then if you want to dial a phone number, you head to contacts, press enter. Over here you click the space bar, and after you put in your number, let's say I'm just gonna put in 652. I'm hitting these numbers by pressing enter. So once you find your number and like dial it in, to dial it you press the space bar, and once you're done you can just press the backspace to go back and leave the phone. That's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.